January 28th. Tonight at dinner, my mom said, Tad, I don't notice you practicing the piano very much. And I said, Yeah, I keep meaning to, but I never have the time. And she said, You watched all of the Lord of the Rings on TV last night. You could have practiced then. And I was just about to say, Nobody wants to hear me practice, when I had an idea. Tonight after dinner, I sat down and practiced the piano. I practiced Mary Had a Little Lamb over and over for a solid 2 hours. I never played it right once. January 29th. Another night of practicing. If anything, I'm making sure that Mary Had a Little Lamb is sounding even worse. My mom came in and asked me if Mr. Fitzhoff had taught me any other songs. I told her no, and then went back to playing it wrong. January 30th. Still more practicing. Tonight, my mom was in the next room watching TV, and I could tell my playing was beginning to annoy her because she started turning the TV volume up. So I practiced even louder, and the more she turned up the TV, the louder I practiced. January 31st. Today, I sat down and practiced again. I've gotten to the point where I can play Mary Had a Little Lamb so badly, it doesn't even sound like a song anymore. After about half an hour, my mom came in and said, Tad, honey, how much more do you think you'll be practicing today? And I said, my teacher says it sometimes takes years just to master one song. And her eye twitched a little, and then she said, You know what? I'm thinking maybe music isn't where your gifts lie. Maybe we should find another hobby for you. So I acted all sad, and then I went up to my room and made a sign. Piano, free to a good home. I think we might be using it soon.